Good morning. So let's analyze the Nifty derivatives and technical stats and try to derive the price action for Nifty spot for today. So to start with, look at the option chain. If you look at closely 25200 strike, then at 25200 call writers have got a control. I think that if bullish move has to continue, then these call writers have to turn out of money. There is some 72,000 short call build up against 32,000 short put build up. So open interest is accordingly in favor of bears. I think this zone, I'll look at the Nifty spot price also, that which price has to be breached to ensure that bullish move continues. Now at 25,000 there is a decent support for put writers. The open interest is 89,000 against call open interest of 38,000. But I think if a bearish move has to continue, then this 25,000 put writer has to go out of money. So ideally that trade shall remain in the zone of 25,000 to 25,200. But it should not be range bound. There should be a break of the range visible. If gap up opening happens, then I will anticipate that this call writer on 25,200 call writer might go out of money, and we might see a move up to 25,300 where the call writing is decent enough. And if there's a gap down opening, then it might happen that Nifty might test this 25,000 zone today. If you look at derivatives data, 1,549 crore of index future buying, out of which 575 crore is Bank Nifty future buying and 945 crore is Nifty future buying. We have seen decent long unwinding in Nifty and Bank Nifty both yesterday. If you look at FI derivatives, then 8,000 short contracts have been unwinded in Nifty and Bank Nifty and other contracts as well. In this data we include mid cap Nifty, right, and Fin Nifty as well as your Nifty Next 50. However, that data is pretty bleak. Now, if you look at the other part, then yesterday was expiry. The most important part to see here is that in last 2 days we have seen that overall long positions had gone up to 42% in index options for FIs, and overall short positions have come down to 58%. However, yesterday we have seen that again long position have come to 39% and short positions have come to 61%. The credit goes to the short build up at 25,200 strike, right, which I recently just now discussed. If that level is breached, again you will see that this long position might increase up to 42-43% and short positions might see a coverage. If you look at stock futures, then in case of FIIs, 13,000 long contracts have been unwinded, 7,600 short contracts have been added, right? In case of clients, they are holding, they have increased the long because obviously there was 25,000 at 25,000 strike, there is a support. So now the overall long position for clients is 91% as usual, and they have increased the long by some 28,000 contracts. Now let's analyze the price action as I discussed yesterday as well. The important part is that this level, which I am showing to you, this level 25,170, 195 must be breached on the upside for at least half an hour to ensure that bullish move continues up to 25,355. If this level is breached, then 25,200 call writer will get out of money, and then the move might continue up to 25,355. However, if the gap down opening happens and the move continues up to 25,045, 24,960, then we might see a further pressure, because in that case 25,000 call writer, 25,000 put writer will come under pressure, and there might be some unwinding by 25,000 short put builders. So then that thing will become a bit dicey for bulls. Having said that, the position which we are holding right now, 25,300 call option of 28th October expiry, 24,900 put of 28th October expiry. Yesterday we initiated this trade. Some 14 lots were bought at 169 for the call, for a target of 272 and stop loss of 90. and 24900 put was bought at 112 14 lots for a target of 176 with stop loss of 61. Now today, if there's a gap down opening, I will buy this 25900 put at 98. Again 7 lots. I'll add 7 lots, and then I'll try to buy 25300 call at the price of 111. Right, so that I average out my position again 7 lots of 25300 call. This is in case of a gap down opening. If there's a gap up opening, I'll do nothing. I'll continue with my trade. This trade will yield me to a decent profit. So this is the setup for today. I hope that it has added value to you. If you have any questions, you can write back to me. Take care. Have a very nice trading day. Thank you.